What's up, Kisho holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Friends, once again, I'm present with the latest update of the Kisho. What's going on in this time in the Kisho? My friends, a lot of people ask me this question about a Kisho, that Kisho can hit a $1 or in the next month or not. So, my friends, we discuss in this video that what's going on in this time in the Kisho, what is the future of Kisho. So, keep watching this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, so please, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Now my friends, if we talk about the latest price of the Kishu, so you can see here $0 is the currently price of the Kishu. That's not mean that the exact price of the Kishu as zero. My friends, the price of Kishu at this time is very low. That is why the price showing here as zero, my friends. Anyways, if you look the price change so in the Kishu, so absolutely the last 1 hour pricing is positive. Last 1 day is positive, and only the last 1 week pricing is negative. So that's mean from yesterday they take a jump. That is why the last 1 day pricing is positive, my friends. Let's see the price chart, what's going on. You can see here, my friends, the prices occur in a case show as absolutely in a previous time going wrong. You can see it this time for dump occur, but now you can see it this time in the last half month they will again start jumping, and I hope that they will continue this kind of jump for a long time. In the start of June there was a lot of chances to take a huge bump, so that is why I predict that is why I suggest for everyone to it's time to hold. Maybe they had a 0.01 USD dollar in the next month, my friends, in the June. 0.01 USD dollar, friends, but 1 USD dollar is not possible for Kishu to their head in the next month, my friends. You can see the current price of the Kishu is very low, so that is why they can't hit 1 USD dollar price. What do you think about Kishu? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.